Hey, what's up everybody? In this video we're gonna pick some Opihi. So this is after my dive. Get my trusty dive knife and walk along the edge, and there's a big boy right there. Try not to fall in. And I'm only gonna pick a handful, maybe 5 or 6. And I want a larger size because we not only eat it, we reuse the shells for our crafts. So you notice there were 2 there. I'm just going to take 1. So this is a yellowfoot. I don't care whether it's the yellow or the blackfoot one. I mean, they all taste the same to me. So there are a whole bunch. Especially on the pink part of the rock, the lava. There's another big boy right here. And these shells, I like the ones that are really tall and pointed. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to make magnets, refrigerated magnets with them. And we'll make a video on how we do that. It's pretty cool. We have them on our refrigerator and we give them away as gifts. So I have 2 right now, and I'm gonna look for a couple more. So climb down over here. There's some really nice big ones. Again, not here to take every single one. You know, take the shell that I like, and try not to take everything. Just walking on the edge here. If you wonder whether I fell in today, no, but I've fallen in the past. So I'm trying not to go when it's like super rough. So I was looking, oh, there are a whole bunch there on the pink rocks, and I was thinking, should I just jump in and swim over there? And I thought, nah. I just warmed up after my dive, so I don't want to get all cold again. Take another one right there. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm going to show you how we clean them. So I use a spoon at home, and if it's by the ocean, I'll just use the shell. I don't like to use the shell at unless I really have to, because you know some of the pieces break off and you want it as clean as possible. So what I do is just lightly rinse it off, use my thumb to scrape off the stuff from the rock that attaches to the bottom, especially when you peel it off. You can see they're nice big ones. Now a number of people don't like these bigger ones because they are a little bit more chewy, but we want to make sure that you know, we stay within the regulations, which is basically a quarter size. These are way above a quarter size. But again, some of the ones that I'm picking and being very selective because I'm looking for shells that we can reuse. So we use all parts of it. Last one. So only took what we need. I mean, you can take people take a lot more, but just take what we need and don't eat it all the time. So we have it there, and we're gonna start preparing it. Our old trusty Hawaiian salt, and we're gonna put a little Hawaiian salt in it, and we're gonna throw it in the refrigerator. And some people don't like to add additional salt, but it's up to you. Just do it to taste. Mix it in, put it in the refrigerator, and it'll be great for hot rice. Thanks for watching, and aloha.